Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Just a quick reminder for all my viewers watching, and that is, guys, if you guys haven't not joined the Telegram group chat, guys, what are you waiting for? It's free to join, a link in the description box below. We talk about cryptocurrencies, the latest news and trends revolving around the space, and just have a great time at the end of the day. So come join the group and let's build this community together. Now let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we are currently sitting at $1.36 trillion. We're down 8.2% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 45.1%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we're seeing major red bloodbath across the board for the entire cryptocurrency markets. As you guys can see, majority of the altcoins are seeing the same trends, down double digits. We're seeing Dogecoin down 22.3% in just the last 24 hours. Things are definitely not looking good for altcoins right now, as you guys can see. So if you are an altcoin holder, guys, make sure you guys watch this video till the end and you might find this very informative. So let's waste no more time and get right into Bitcoin charts and see what's exactly going on and where we could be going in the immediate short term. All right, guys, so if you guys did watch my last two updates, even if you guys watched my update today earlier this morning where I covered Cardano, you guys know that we saw Bitcoin's price drop below this crucial, basically this last life support for Bitcoin at this $33,300 mark, and we broke below it. And today, guys, bears were able to push the price of Bitcoin down towards $31,179, but bulls have come and saved the day. If you guys watched my video, take 2 seconds out of your time to go watch one of these two videos. I explained this right off the bat for you guys. I said if bears are able to push the price of Bitcoin below, we need to have a bounce back up around this $31,000 mark. We need buying pressure to kick in. If that does not happen, we could be heading more towards the downside. But we did see bulls come and win this market. And again, guys, bears are having difficulties keeping the price of Bitcoin towards the downside. But this does not mean because we had a bounce back, things are starting to look good. No, guys, we still need to be monitoring this situation very closely. Obviously, we had more China FUD that has come out. They are cracking down on mining farms that are around China. That has created more FUD across the board. And obviously, when that happens, we do tend to see a lot of FUD, especially whales trying to take full advantage of this news that were to come out. And this does not surprise me that we did break below to these levels, but so far this bounce back is looking promising. But what we need for Bitcoin to do in the next coming couple hours is that we need to get above this level of support, guys. We need to get above $33,000 and try to get above $36,200 mark. If we were to bring out the measuring tool, guys, for now that is about 11% move towards the upside, and this is where we will be on the safer end of the spectrum for Bitcoin right now. Until we are below this, guys, there's still definitely a possibility for more downwards momentum. As you guys can see, we touched literally this support level, but we were unable to break above it. But we do definitely need a more buying pressure to kick in for Bitcoin in order to see some sort of reversal occur. And for altcoins, guys, altcoin holders, we have been seeing just over the last couple hours, we are seeing BTC dominance skyrocketing, guys. As you guys can see, we are sitting at 47%. And this is exactly what I said in my earlier video today. I did say if we do see Bitcoin price fall lower, do expect BTC dominance to increase towards the upside. Definitely, that always happens. And that's exactly what we did see happen. We saw BTC dominance go all the way up to 47.26%, guys. Last time we saw that was in May. Around May, this is when we did see BTC dominance that high. And we're starting to see BTC dominance climb up. And that means more money is going out of altcoins into Bitcoin right now, because people do tend to switch into Bitcoin and hold Bitcoin rather than altcoins, because even if Bitcoin were to have a drop, we do tend to see Bitcoin holding more firm compared to altcoins. But again, this is part of the cycle. You guys know, I always say that we do tend to see sometimes BTC dominance increase, and we always sometimes tend to see BTC dominance go towards the downside, where we do tend to see altcoin season. Right now, we are far away from altcoin season, and we are definitely in for BTC dominance to go to the upside, especially if Bitcoin is hovering around these levels. As BTC dominance increases, guys, just give me 1 second. I'm sorry. There we go. I just had some sort of error. There we go, guys. So as BTC dominance goes towards the upside, guys, the more altcoins lag behind Bitcoin's price. But we need to be monitoring this situation very, very closely for the altcoins. So if you're an altcoin holder, do tend to expect some sort of sideways consolidation of phase to occur until this BTC dominance does go towards the downside. We will not be seeing some sort of altcoin rally anytime soon with BTC dominance this high. So we need to keep that in mind definitely when we are looking at altcoins. Looking at the overall total crypto market cap today, you guys can see we wicked all the way down to $1.23 trillion. We were unable to go down to this 1.19 trillion, so that is also a good sign. As I have mentioned, we did see bulls come and try to save out the day at the end of the day, but again, we are not out of the woods just yet. So we need to be monitoring Bitcoin situation very, very closely. So I just wanted to make this update for you guys. For what we need for Bitcoin to do is get above this level, $33,300 mark, and gradually move towards the upside. Things will start looking very, very nice then. And that means we have created one more higher low this time once again, because we wicked down to $31,100. Meanwhile, last week we went down to $30,985. So you guys are getting the picture that we have been creating higher lows after higher lows. So far, so good. But again, we need to hold these positions for us to be on the bullish end of the spectrum. And at the end of the day, guys, if you are an altcoin holder, yes, definitely, I am with you guys. Definitely, we cannot, we cannot deny the fact that altcoins are bleeding very, very hard. But again, especially if you're new, guys, please, listen to this carefully. As long as you have done your due diligence and research and have invested what you can afford to lose, guys, patience will be your number one key to follow. This is why it's always, always important to always invest what you can afford to lose, and patience is very much needed, because as much as fun it is when we are seeing markets going up and up and up, we're seeing so much growth, we're seeing so much profit. There's always going to be a time where we do see, markets tend to go towards the downside as well. That's just how the markets work. They never go straight up in one line, and we just have to face the reality and accept it. Altcoins will have their time. I'm still very optimistic that this bull run is not over right now. But again, we need to be monitoring Bitcoin situation very, very closely, and I will bring you guys updates right away for you guys. There's a lot of FUD right now in the markets, guys. I personally might be picking more altcoins up, because when there is fear across the board, that's when I personally like being greedy, and we have seen especially altcoins drop quite significantly. So for me personally, this might be a good buying opportunity for myself, for the coins have a long-term, potential. Not like these majority of the meme coins, guys. I always mention this to you guys also. Please keep this in mind. Yes, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu might possibly, due to so much retail interest, they might have potential. Listen up, listen carefully. But there's thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of coins coming on Uniswap that are meme coins. And guys, as much as I hate saying this, let's face the reality. These coins are not here to stay. And 95% of the coins on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko, we have been seeing new coins coming left and right. Guys, these coins are not here to stay. So always remember that. Always look into projects with real fundamentals, strong fundamentals, unique features, and that can solve some sort of problem. Those kind of projects are definitely here to stay. I'm not telling you which project. You guys always have to do your own due diligence and research when investing in these markets. But meme coins, guys, is basically throwing your money into the drain, in my personal opinion. As much as some people might hate me saying this, but we have to face reality. I want each and every one of my viewers to do very, very well around these markets. I want you guys to maximize your gains and always take profits when you guys do tend to see a lot of profits occurring in the markets. Never get greedy, because this is right in front of us. Greed can, as fast as you can make profits in the markets, that's as fast as you can lose them. Once you implement this, guys, this thing into your mind, you will succeed in this markets. And I think this is it for today's update. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think and where you guys could see the markets go in the next month of July. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And let me know in the comment section below if you guys enjoy these, updates, like urgent updates for you guys, market update. I tell you guys what's exactly going on and keep it 100% realistic with you guys. Let me know in the comment section below. And please, guys, if you guys can do me a favor to leave a comment and hit the like button. This does help my channel grow a lot and helps the YouTube algorithm push my videos out to a wider audience. Your support would be greatly appreciated. And thank you so much for taking your time out of your day to come watch my update. I appreciate you guys, and I do this for you guys, my regular viewers. You guys know who you are. And stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. I will see you guys tomorrow in the morning. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.